look to the letting go of your day meditation. This meditation will help you release all the stress and pressure of your day. As you immerse yourself in this meditation and let go of all your worries and tension, you will begin to feel a pleasant, relaxing feeling that is familiar to your mind and body. This wonderful, familiar feeling is your natural resting state. You can be free of concerns and free of responsibilities. This is your time now, your time to relax. As you sit back and begin to relax, just allow your eyelids to close down slowly and remove your focus from the outside world. It's time to go down into a state of peace and relaxation. And now take a slow, deep breath in and hold it. Now breathe out completely. As you breathe in again, allow the feeling of relaxation to wash over you. Let your shoulders drop down a little more with each out breath. Feel the tension in your face smooth out as the muscles in your face relax. Each and every breath you take brings you more peace, and your whole body is relaxing. Now, as you enjoy this feeling of peace and relaxation, imagine that you are standing alone in an open, grassy field or a special place out in nature that is peaceful to you. This is your imagination, so there are no limits, there are no rules. Wherever you find yourself is just fine. Just allow your imagination to roam freely and allow it to choose whatever works best for you. When you feel ready in your imagination, just go to that place. Now find yourself standing in this beautiful place that you've chosen. There's no one around you. You're standing alone, feeling wonderfully free. Free of the daily stress. Free of all the noise. No one around to disturb your peace. You can take this time to reflect on your day with a feeling of detachment. Just think about some of the things that happened today or recently, things that didn't go the way you wanted them to go. Any daily worries, any stress or frustration, responsibilities, all the hustle and bustle, and the feeling of being too busy, things you don't like and what you would like to change. In that place here and now, you are ready to let go of all the stress and embrace the peace. Letting go of the stress can be easy and it can be fun. And because this is your imagination and there's no one around, it can be a pleasant, enjoyable experience. You look down and just like in a dream, you notice that suddenly you are wearing a jacket with deep pockets. You become a little curious. You wonder what's in those pockets. As you reach deep into those pockets, you pull out handfuls of brightly colored balloons. You don't really wonder too much about how they got there. just like you don't wonder why you're wearing a jacket. Because just like in a dream, things can appear and disappear, and you can decide on the meaning or change the meaning as you please. And as you look down at your hands, holding all those brightly colored balloons, you get a wonderful idea, and you know just what to do. To let go of any remaining stress in your mind and your body. There may be one or two things that are causing you stress, or there may be things. It's time now to release all of that so that you have peace of mind. You think of the first issue that is causing you the most stress. What is at the front of your mind? What is the biggest stress that you would like to remove first? Now give it a name. It could be a situation or a person, your career or a money issue. Whatever it is, you know it will slowly fade. When you have given your stress or problem a name, go ahead and think of a color you like, a color that is soothing and comforting to you. When you have chosen a color, just look down and notice that you have a balloon in that exact color. Imagine this color can soothe and comfort your stress. Now go ahead and blow up that balloon. As you take a deep breath in your imagination, just imagine you are exhaling and filling up the balloon in one big out breath. As you exhale in your imagination, you also exhale all of the stress and worry concerning your biggest issue. Now tie the balloon, sealing it all of that stress about your problems. You notice you feel a little better. You feel a little lighter. Now imagine you can name the name of your stress or worry on the balloon. You can use your finger and trace the words, or you can imagine that you have a pen to write it with. Either way is fine. This is your imagination. There is no right or wrong way to imagine things. Now you are ready to let this stress or worry go. You hold the balloon high up in the air, open your fingers and release it. You watch as the breeze catches and carries the balloon, and you see it moving higher and higher. You start to feel happier and lighter than you felt before. You watch the balloon float upwards and become smaller. As it becomes smaller, you feel much lighter and feel more relaxed. You watch as it becomes just a small dot in the sky. As it disappears, it carries away your stress with it. Now you are ready to release your next concern. Now think of the next thing that is causing you stress. It may feel less intense than the previous one, but you know how much better that you will feel so good if you release it. When you are ready, give that stress or worry a name again, just like you did before. Now choose a color that feels peaceful to you. Dig deep into your pockets and find a balloon that matches that color perfectly. Imagine this color can heal the stress you are feeling and bring you peace. In your imagination, Take a deep breath again and breathe out all that stress and worry into the balloon. You're doing really well now. Now you can tie the balloon, sealing in all that stress and worry. And when you are ready, write the name of the concern on the balloon. Whatever you want to call it is just fine and perfect for you. Now it's time to let it go. Raise it up into the air and just let the wind catch it and carry it away. Imagine feeling lighter than before, more carefree than before. As you watch it disappear into the blue sky, you feel the stress of that concern fade away. Take a moment to enjoy feeling lighter, feeling more peaceful, feeling carefree. Allow that sensation to fill up your body. Feel how good that feels and allow yourself to relax even more. Take the last of your remaining worries and in your imagination, take a deep breath and release all the leftover worries in one big breath into the balloon. Tie it up and seal everything in. Notice how you feel even better now. You are letting go of the last of your worries and frustrations, so that now you can feel even more carefree than you did before. Now, one last time, raise your arms and let go of the balloon, allowing it to become free, releasing everything right now, letting it all go, feeling more peaceful and relaxed. You lie down and take a rest on the warm, soft grass and watch as the balloon floats away. Take your time watching it floating away, becoming smaller and smaller until it's finally gone. Enjoy this feeling of being carefree, your body completely relaxed, your mind feeling free. When you are feeling relaxed enough, you can slowly begin to bring yourself back to wakeful alertness, slowly returning to here and now, feeling wonderful, replenished, and fresh. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and give us a like if you enjoyed it. Also hit that bell so you can get a notification next time we post